Oh my gosh, I tell you what, guys, we just got done filming, and stick around to the very end because you'll be shocked at what this thing can handle. So here I am out in the woods with a Wolflok Lockbox. Now, this lockbox was built to withstand abuse and keep the keys safe inside. And I figured, how can we put this to the test? Let's shoot it. And I got just the guy for the job.
Anything to go shooting.
All right, now is what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go set this lockbox right over here on this little mound, all right? And someone make sure Billy's behaving himself while I do it. All right, so we have the lockbox set up right there, and it's time for Billy to do what Billy does best, mess something up. All right, now the last thing to do is to open it up and see if it works. So let me go ahead and clear it. Now, there is some button damage, but let's take a look here. So let's go 2, 2, 4, 9, 9, 9. Button's kind of messed up. Let's see. It's not opening up. So the good news is that the keys inside here are safe. The bad news is it did bust it. But I guess at the end of the day, what do you expect when you shoot it, right? The good news is that it's still locked up. All right, hey, if you made it this far, you're in luck because Billy was like, hey, I want to keep shooting. Not surprising though, is it? So against my better judgment, I think I'll let him do one more, all right? So in the meantime, I'm out of here.
All right, y'all, let's keep shooting. Let's try something else. Let's try some buckshot. Let's see if that does it. All right, folks, looks like it survived the buckshot. Let's give it something it probably won't handle. How about a slug? All right, folks. So that lock, it took a slug and it's still locked, still closed. At this point, beside other crazy calibers, that thing can hold up to a lot of abuse.
I have to hand it to Billy using that 12 gauge shotgun. He's way better aim than I thought. I don't know, you have to tell me what you think. How do you think this held up? I think it actually did really good, man. Billy really got a kill shot on this. But of course, I want to know if this is what you expected in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, so I am here with, I always have it upside down. I was doing that in the video too. So what happens when we shoot a Wolflok Lockbox?
Lockbox.
Let's not get any lockbosses around here.
So here I am out in the woods with a Wolflok Lockbox. It's supposed to withhold, gosh darn it, withhold. It's not a freaking band. Congrats, you've made it to the end. Now, I want to make sure that when you are commenting on our videos that you include the hashtag Lockboss. When you do, you automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away every Tuesday live here on YouTube. So I look forward to reading your comment and responding soon. Until next time.